What's up, everybody, man? It's Sunday, and shoot, I don't know what it is, but something is going on. I got up and to go take my kids to church, and I went ahead and drove up in there, and all I did was go park my dang SUV, and I was trying to get there to go teach the kids about Jesus and everything, and I gotta get my son ready, my daughter ready, and I turned in and, I seen there was like a little concrete curb next to the parking lot that I was going to park in, but, like, I was just like, well, I'm going to just cut it, and just maybe because I drive a lot of different vehicles, you know what I'm saying? And, I went ahead to go cut it, and then come find out, I went and hit the damn concrete and blew my damn tire. So I was like, oh, shit. So, we just got to church. I'm like, well, I'm just trying to get there early so I can go ahead and teach the kids, you know what I'm saying, get prepared for what's coming. So I tell my son to get out, and you hear this air coming out. So I'm like, okay. Well, I just grab my kids. I'm like, let me go do what I got to do. I'll deal with this later, you know what I'm saying? So I'm helping out with the kids, and I'm just watching like 2-year-old, 1-year-old, 2.5-year-old, and whatnot, reading them books and stuff, and putting on a little video, just letting them play. I'm feeding them, changing diapers and stuff like that. And so I get done, and I'm like, well, my kids' grandparents go to church too, and I'm like, well, I'll just get with them at the church. Well, everybody started leaving. Like, I was like, well, I missed them, and then my phone was like on 2%, and I was like, because we just came back from the beach and there was no phone charger in the SUV because we had took it in the beach house, and then nobody put it back in the car, like in the luggage or something like that, and nobody put it back in yet. And I was like, oh man. So I didn't have a chance to charge my phone like I normally do while I'm driving, you know what I'm saying, like I'm doing now. I'm charging my phone because I got a charger in the vehicle, you know what I'm saying. I'm always charging my phone, and I think my battery's about to die anyway, man. Like, I could tell, like, just when it's on, it's like draining really, really fast. Like, because I was at church and it went from like 10% to like nothing. It was like done. I was like, dang. I was like, man, what the heck, dog? Because I went and cut it off thinking that at least I had like about 2 or 3% if I needed to call somebody, because I got to get my tire fixed, you know what I'm saying? And it's Sunday, Discount Tires closed. So I'm like, okay. All right, well, so I go ask people, like, man, y'all got an iPhone charger? Because like, at first I try to find the kids' grandparents. I can't find them. They gone. And then, I'm asking whoever's left, hey, man, you got a charger or whatever, you know what I mean? I just need to charge my phone. And I just Uber home because I was just like, I'll just leave the car there because I can't go get nothing fixed today because it's Sunday. Everybody closed. So I'm like, I just go Monday, you know what I mean? But then one of the guys that work at the church, he was like, oh, man, I got the jack because I went to go put the spare on, and I found out I ain't got no jack in the back. I didn't know I ain't had no jack. I mean, I was like, dang. So I ain't had no jack to jack up the vehicle. So we went to go find a jack at the church. So I was like, okay, I got a jacked up the vehicle, and I got my key to take the lug nuts off the rim. I got that, and I got a 4-way lug wrench. So I'm like, okay, I got that. But then I can't take the spare tire down because the dang wrench or whatever that's supposed to be there is not there. So I'm like, dang. So I'm totally not prepared to have a flat tire today at all. So I just left the car, man. And then, one of the guys that go to church, like, hey, man, I'll just give you a ride home, because, like, I'm like, anybody got an iPhone? Like, nah, man, I got Android, or I got a Windows phone, or whatever, Google phone. And I'm like, dang. I'm like, I didn't know it was like that. I thought everybody had like an iPhone. So I'm like, okay. So, he gave me a ride with the kids and everything like that. So I just left it there, man. So I was thinking, like, man, if I can't get the spare down, because I ain't got no tools, because I sold all my tools, because I ain't trying to work with no car, you know what I mean? That's the whole reason I sold my tools. So I'm like, I'm just going to leave it, man. And then I guess I'll just go ahead and, take the tire off. And I need to call them first and see if they ain't got the tire, man, because they might have to order a tire. I don't even know. So I'm on the way to work. I gotta get some things, make some money real quick. I got sales and invoice, and I got money to go handle. And then after that, I'll go fool this car for a little bit, and then I'm gonna call it a day. now. Shit, it's Sunday, man. I'm still working, you know what I mean? Shit, I work every day. And so that's what's going on, man. I don't know. Just something's up, but we'll see what's up. Well, I'll show y'all when I get there to the car. So it's next day. Called Discount Tire. They say they got the tire. So I'm gonna check on the car right here and make sure that that's the same one we're talking about, and then we'll go from there. So there she is, nice and flat. Yeah, they said it's a Century, so that's the brand, and yeah, 245, 50, 20 is the tire size. So what happened was I got a puncher right here, man, on the side. Y'all can see that, and it's just messed up. I just hit it just enough on that piece of curb right there when I went to go park. And you can see where it just scraped it enough to just puncture it. So they say with the warranty and all that, they'll fix it for free, man. So problem was I didn't have a jack. This is church's jack. And then I went to go get the spare tire, and then I found out I don't have the thing to release the spare tire that's here. I got a good spare tire, man, but I don't have the little part. Let me see if I can unlock this. That's right here, man. Like, there's like a little, I don't have a little tool to release the spare tire. So I'm like, that ain't no good. So I ain't had no jack, I ain't had that. I wasn't prepared at all for it. So I'm gonna go ahead, jack it up, take this wheel off and put it in my van, take it down there, let them fix it, and then come back and put it in. Then I'll worry about getting an actual jack put in here, and then figure out the tool that I need to release the spare. All right, so I got the wheel off. I got it sitting on the jack stand with the jack underneath it, so it should be as safe as possible till I get back. I don't even want it to maybe roll somewhere with a jack underneath it, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna go to Discount Tire, get them fixed, and come back, put it on. Hey, so to give y'all an update, man, I went ahead, got the tire back on. And show y'all, we got the purple Mustang over here. Corey's car got transmission issues. Y'all see this thing, man? It went and parked this thing right here in my grass. And now it won't even move because transmission's slipping. So I'm like, I don't know what he did. He probably messed it up and broke the doggone transmission. But I got my ride back over here. Tires all fixed, man. Discount Tire hooked it up for like free. I had a warranty. And I went and bought another warranty for like 20 bucks on there. Brand new tire, dog. So them boys are good, man, out there. So I'm about to go inside, man. It's been a long week. I appreciate y'all. Like, share, subscribe, and see what else is going on, okay? Catch you in the next one.